Hello everyone, welcome back to Journey to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me and welcome to the Grateful Gang. On this channel we do budgeting as well as I'm on my journey to first time home ownership. So if any of that sounds like something you want to check out, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up. It helps the whole algorithm thing, okay? And if you are watching but you're not getting the notifications, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can become a part of the notification gang, y'all, okay? And all of this is free 99. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so moving right along. If you want to watch me stuff my envelopes, my daily, everyday cash envelopes, definitely stay tuned. Grateful Gang, hello, Grateful Gang. I just wanted to stop by and say thank you so much before this video gets started for the 200 plus subscribers. Okay, you people are the real MVPs, OGs, MVPs. Grateful Gang. I just had to stop in. I know this is normally a top-down video, but I had to pop in real quick to tell you how much I truly appreciate your love and support. And I mean for real, because y'all actually give these thumbs up. Y'all actually, you know, comment. Y'all be talking it to me, and you're actually watching because I see the analytics for the views, and you are the reason why I do this. It helps me stay accountable, but with no one watching, it's kind of tough. So because you keep watching and you keep being here for me, I am going to keep being here for you. So I just wanted to stop the video to say thank you. And if you're watching this for the first time, I'm going to ask you now. Can you subscribe, please? Thank you so much. Love you. Bye. Right. So we're back. We're back. Okay, I'm a little hyped. It's too late at night. I need to be asleep, okay? So this is my cash envelopes folder, and this is my humble home folder. Any leftover money that we have from Unstuffing, this will go into this, and then we stuff these at the end of the month. That's the way this is working right now. Sorry, Agnes. All right, let me get my girl. Y'all know she's where the money resides. Where the money resides.
What the what? What a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside, what a money reside.
We'll put her out for now. Let's go ahead and unstuff our envelopes. Cassandra, girl of average life, Cassandra. If y'all don't follow her, check her out. I'll make sure to link her in the cards above. She gave me this a while ago along with this. It came in this. I still have it, girl, and it still works. Just thought of you. All right, let's get to it. Allowance. This usually gets $30, but it has $20 left. Gas normally gets $20, and it still has $20 left. Y'all, I don't think I've had to buy gas all month, okay? Then groceries usually gets $40, and we have $25 left. Toiletries gets $10, and we still have $10 left. Normally, I only buy toiletries once in a while when I run out. This is just some coupons, and the Mega Millions start clearly having one. And then this is what tells me what needs to go where when I go to stuffing it. What else? Okay. So let's find out how much we saved. Oh, I wanted to show y'all my transactions of what I used, because clearly some money was used out of those envelopes. So let me go ahead and show y'all my transactions in my Google Sheets. I went ahead and added them so I could scan my receipts to my Fetch rewards, because y'all, I have like almost $30,000 Fetch points. Y'all, I'm going to leave my code in the description. If you have not started Fetch, getting your receipt scanned for free, I don't know what you're doing. It's free 99. I'm mad I wasn't doing this a while ago. And okay, so I had two for this week, 2525. I had Zaxby's for $10. That's what came out of my allowance eating out. And then Kroger $15.31, which came out of the groceries, which is why I only have 25 left. And that's it. That's all I have. That's it, and that's all. That's all we used. So that was easy. Let's see how much we actually have left. Zoom y'all back out. Okay. So we have 20, It's so crispy. I love these. 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. I have $75 out of the $100 that I spent. Listen, if that's not good, I don't know what is, y'all. So let me go ahead and add this in here. I really need to put a tracker in here. Let me grab one of the papers that I'm using for trackers right quick, and let's just do this because I've been using this daily schedule thing because it was on sale. And I like sales, so we're just gonna use it for a tracker for now. And as of, it is 2/9, and we're putting $75 in from February week 1. Actually, now that we're doing that, I should actually update that on my tracker as well. Let me see if it's still open in the background. Yup. So you don't want to open? Y'all, this thing old. I got it from my daddy. I really just took it from him. Let me zoom y'all in a little bit. Okay. Let's get back to the bottom of the, where are my spreadsheets? Okay. Is the cash envelope? Right. So we're on week 1 of February of our cash tracker, and we have saved $75. So let me put my little 75 in. Tab. Done. And we're done. Okay, and that's updated. Boom. Come back out. You're kind of close. Alright, and so now we've made our fake tracker in here as well. That I'm just going to fold. And put in with our money. And hopefully we can get close to 300 saved for this month, so we can stuff our humble home cash envelopes back here. Alright, so let's go to our girl here and just restuff ours. This should not take very long. It's just telling me what gets what. So I normally take out $100. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. There's definitely not as nice and crispy as they have been the latelys. So, alright. So allowance gets 30. It gets 120 and 110. 20, 30. Gas gets 20, and I just give it a straight up 20. I think what I'm gonna start doing, since the agent, the mortgage lady said to start using my card for small purchases and pay it back off, but let it hit the account. I might start putting my, like, once a month, leaving the $20 of gas on the card and just swiping it instead of taking it out. Groceries gets 40. Sorry, Agnes, girl, I'll be knocking you out. And that's 120 and 2 10s. 20, 30, 40. And then poor little toiletries only gets 10. I am doing Frugalish February, and I'm about to update you real quick on where we're at with that. So these are all stuff. It doesn't take me very long. We're going to put our information back in the miscellaneous, which I'm going to change to support a sister at some point. Support a sister at some point. I'm going to start saving little extra dollars or two in there so that, put my girl back, so that I can support some shops or whatever I want to support. Okay, so let me get my little thing here. This is what I'm using for Frugal February to track, right? And no spend here. We had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and today is, oh no, Monday. I didn't spend no money. And today is Tuesday, and we at the end of the day, honey. I ain't going nowhere. We ain't spending no money. What happened? I'm going to do a quick, because I leave myself notes. Day 2 was the day we went to the citizenship, so we were road tripping, spent money there. Day 5, groceries, and that would have been okay, except this was the day I figured out I had that little roadblock with the house buying thing, so I did buy myself a meal. And day 6, I ended up buying me and my uncle something out to eat because we were out on the road all day. That's what happened there. But the plan is not to spend any money up until like Saturday probably, because I only have to have 20 no spend days and I have 8 free days. And as of now, I have used 1, 2, 3, only 3 of them. So I've got a few more left. So I'm good. I think I'm good. All right, if you guys are doing frugal February or frugal-ish February, let me know how you're doing with your no spend days. Are you doing really well, or are you like, nah? All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. This is all I have today. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful, and I'm super duper grateful for you. Remember, it's faith over fear forever, forever, ever. And have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye.